stop recording. Why?
Well, that's a problem. This is already destroyed.
But it'll just have to be 2. We can't merge 2, can we?
We may be able to.
Well, you could do a part 1 and part 2. This is part 2.
Hey guys, accidental stop recording, but this is part 2. Let's go. As you saw, we've really messed something up here. Let's see if we can quiet it down. We really messed something up in there. What's doing that?
Probably the hard drive.
It's got a lot of my data still on it, but I accidentally formatted it anyway. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Meaning there's no data on it, right?
Well, it's still there, just not usable at this point.
Well, I'm saying, well, I accidentally formatted the drive, so none of the data's on there anyway.
Right.
Can't seem to get to the... I'm gonna play a video game, guys. We quieted it down. You think we disabled it?
I think so.
Whatever noise that was, it's gone. The X key is done. What about the Z key? Ouch. Let's loosen it up. Okay, that one hurts. The X key's gone. This iBook clamshell, doesn't seem to be very durable. Loosen something up. There goes another key. Did we disable the drive, or did the drive just power off? Seems like we disabled it. Well, it didn't stop abruptly, that's why I'm wondering.
Yeah, may have just powered down.
Maybe we can merge 2 videos. We'll have to figure that out. Right?
You can do a part 1, part 2.
Part 1 only lasted like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
But I don't care. I think we actually sewed this key in. Let's see if we can reverse that operation. The keys are getting the worst of this, right? A nearby neighbor sees us and hustles a kid off, right? Keys are getting the worst end of this deal. Caps lock is next. Maybe we can actually hammer the key in. this is basically destroyed now. Right? The keys are still pressable, but their cover is gone. Here goes another one. I'm tossing them over there. Thanks for helping me with the screen. Screen's doing okay. There's glass shards on it now. Not touching that. Right?
Yeah, the screen's taking a pretty good impact. But it has a protective cover.
Whoa, cold front. I think I used the term wrong. I feel like we might actually help people with... Yeah, I wonder how many MacBook fanboys I'm gonna have. How many MacBook fanboy subs I'm gonna have left. All the keys are pretty much obliterated. Let's see if we can hammer some of them back in. We're gonna have to vote on whether or not I feel like the keys got the worst end of this. This thing is more durable than the flip phone. This thing is more undurable than the flip phone. You can just rip the keys out. Here goes the space bar, which looks as if it revealed some internals. The K is like, nah. Ouch, my finger. Let's keep going. Never give up. And I'm letting all the bugs that were probably trapped in it free, right? If I didn't kill them in this process, right?
I'd say so.
Do you think it was a good idea to smash this? I mean, it had no other use, right? It really just didn't work. You know what I mean?
No, unless you want to spend a lot of money to refurbish it.
Which I'm probably not gonna do.
Yeah, you got another one.
The inner key's just like, no, I'm not coming out. Okay, keys, time has come. The K is the one that's basically invincible to all of my blows. I think K has cheat codes on. K key's finally out. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the disclaimer in that no MacBooks were harmed in the... Okay, you know what? That disclaimer is just... inusable.
Here, disclaimer. You are an Apple person.
What'd you say?
You are an Apple person, though. So, you have all kinds of Apple products, right?
Oh, disclaimer. If you're a MacBook fan, please don't watch this video. Right? You know? Time to do some math. I can't seem to get to the full internals, but that's what I'm working on. That ain't coming apart yet. Back to the keys. Let me see if I can remove all of them. Time to do some math. Okay, everyone. Okay, class, today we're doing addition. Do you like my jokes? As I'm smashing out the addition key.
You may need a part 3.
Huh, potentially. First YouTube video of 2020, am I right? Happy New Year. Speaking about that note, although I don't think this MacBook is going to be having one. Okay, where's the... I'm focusing most of my attention on the keys. This thing is less durable than all 3 flip phones I destroyed. You know? Can we get the inner key finally? I think we can. Math time.
Do a pause and then do a part 3?
We could, or I could do everything here, like I tried to do in all my videos.
Yeah. But I think this one's going to take longer.
I don't... Hope you kids remember your alphabet, because it's not around on this MacBook to teach you anymore. No offense. That was a joke. Don't hurt me. appear to be invulnerable. Never mind. Right? What about the function keys? Ooh, 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 ooh. Now we have a keyboard collection, right? This one's not coming out. Maybe we hammered it. That loosened it quite a bit. Not gonna take out the eject key. Well, maybe. Just in case there's no discs in it, right?
No.
Okay. Well, the buttons are still clickable. I'm only ripping off their cover, you know? Oh, this key. Let's go for the screen now. What should we do? Part 3?
We should end this part 2, and so you'll show the finished results after.
What do you mean?
Stay tuned for the video showing the final destruction.
The part 3.
Yep.
Guys, stay tuned for the part 3. Comment, like, subscribe. See ya in the part 3. Peace.